Confidence hack number 26, lottery tickets, randomness, and home run swings. This is finding confidence through complete randomness. Hey, I'm David Nurse. I coach NBA players, CEOs, high performers how to hack their confidence. Now, if you want a daily confidence boost directly to your inbox to start your morning off on the right foot, go to my website, davidnurse.com, and sign up for free, where you'll get that email to your inbox for free and much, much more. Mild success can be explained by hard work, but wild success can be attributed to variance and luck. And in no way am I saying hard work does not lead to wild success. It does. That is what I like to call hitting daily singles. Just, daily singles, day after day, 1% step. In baseball, hitting a single is playing the consistent game, just of getting on base, one step forward. Here is where the power of randomness comes into play and where you can gain today's confidence boost. Swing for singles, but also take the occasional massive uppercut going for a home run swing, because you'll never know when you connect. In Nassim Nicholas Taleb's book, Fooled by Randomness, he states, randomness implies that there are strategies that will work for given cycles. For example, an extreme fad diet. These cycles produce success, but they are short-lived. Creating a lifestyle around randomness will never be the answer, but opening your hands to give yourself the chance to allow randomness in your life can spark an incredible cycle. This is swinging for the home run baseball analogy. Betting on randomness is unsustainable and suboptimal for the long term. It can serve us well for a short period of time, but basing our life rhythm around randomness will defeat us in the long run. Let's take this for an example to a more universal approach. Let's say I play the lottery and I win. I win $500,000. That is pure randomness. No skill, no singles, home run swing. I did not work hard, put in long hours to win the lottery. It just randomly happened. I was a byproduct of ideal timing. I cannot build a system of my life around buying a lottery ticket every day and expecting to win. However, I can buy a lottery ticket every day, home run swing, and go my entire life without winning and be successful in my life. Or I could win and become wildly successful. And we are using finances for this example, money in terms of success. Success, it of course isn't defined by winning the lottery or obtaining a lot of money, but I think you know where I'm going with this example. So the confidence boost for today comes from understanding that randomness can happen. It is the ace up your sleeve. You don't know if it will actually ever happen, but you don't know that it won't happen. You just know that it can happen. There is a big difference in this has never happened and this will never happen. You might be fooled by randomness soon, but now you won't actually be fooled. Confidence boost gained. Now, my wife and I, we just got back from Maui. We start every year off in Maui. It's just such a refreshing, recharging way to start the year. But what I've been using, meat that I have been eating for the past 6 months and been absolutely obsessed with, comes from Maui. Maui Nui venison. They have delicious ground meat, organ blends, a variety of steak cuts, rib chops, jerky. It's very lean too, and I'm big on staying in the best shape I can possibly be in. And sometimes the beef will have a lot of fat in it, but Maui Nui venison, extremely lean, healthy, all just amazingly raised in Maui access deer. So what they're doing it too is giving my listeners, you all, a great deal to go try it out. And the code is NURSE for 20% off. Go to Maui Nui, N-U-I, venison.com. Check it out. There's great meat in there. You will yeah, you'll get addicted like I have. And it's also a great gift to get people too. So check it out, MauiNuiVenison.com, 20% off with the code NURSE. And if you get it, let me know. Love to hear about your experience.